Are you worrying about your wrinkles when you look at your face every day? Today, I will give you a solution for this. Today, we will be making a face mask that is pretty simple but results guaranteed. So stay with me until end of this video so you will be able to make that face mask at your home. As we age, we produce less collagen and elastin, which decreases your skin's resiliency. We also lose subdermal fat, and that loss of subdermal support leads to wrinkle and sagging of the skin. But however, if you can restore that lost moisture, collagen and protein, it's not a hard task to delay the formation of wrinkles on your face. In our pack, we combine all the nutrients and support the skin need, and we have a special ingredient which has anti-glycation property which delays the breakdown of collagen. Let me introduce our special guest today, that is butterfly pea flower. Take 15 to 20 dried butterfly pea flowers. Dip them in half cup of rose water. Keep them for 15 to 20 minutes. Then you can see the beautiful blue color. Then we put 2 teaspoons of gelatin, a good source of natural collagen. Then we put 2 teaspoons of honey, a natural moisturizer. Then we put 4 teaspoons of fresh milk. That gives you a protein and a natural probiotics. Mix them well to get a creamy texture until for 15 to 20 minutes. So let's see how to use this face mask. Once a week you can apply this face mask. Keep it for 15 to 20 minutes and wash off with lukewarm water. The feedback from my patients who use this face mask was remarkable. So use it and feel the firmness in your face muscles and with a refreshing experience. If you haven't still subscribed my channel, please subscribe it so you will not miss any of my videos regarding Ayurveda, beauty and yoga. Thank you for watching.